Hey guys, today I've got this BMW 330D. It's just received our stage 1 carbon clean. The customer will be out shortly to take it for a little test drive, and hopefully we get some good response to see what he thinks. So guys, here's the owner of the 330D. Let's just see what he thinks. How'd you get on, matey?
It's a lot quieter.
A lot quieter.
And throttle response is a bit better.
Yeah.
And when it's still tight and
A little bit better, yeah. Okay, no problem. Was you a little bit sceptical at first? Obviously, did you not think that? Obviously, a lot of people are, but you know, obviously after the service, you know, we get a lot of good response. So I'm glad you enjoy it. I'm glad you have noticed a bit of benefit. But yeah, if you do it once a year or every 10,000 miles, obviously you said that you drive this on the motorway a lot. What is it? About 200 miles plus a week. Yeah, so obviously you do a lot of motorway driving. So I'd say just get it done once a year as a precaution sort of thing, and you should be alright. Alright, matey. Thank you very much for that. Right, guys, this guy's also decided to go with a second vehicle. So obviously he's going to get a discount for that.